Thomas Edison, the Wizard of Menlo Park. Introduction. Thomas Alva Edison, born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio, is celebrated as one of history's most prolific inventors. Known for inventions like the phonograph, the electric light bulb, and the motion picture camera, Edison held over 1,000 patents in his lifetime. His life story is a testament to perseverance, curiosity, and innovation. Early life. Thomas Edison was the youngest of 7 children in a modest family. His father, Samuel Edison, was a versatile businessman, and his mother, Nancy Matthews Elliott, was a schoolteacher. Edison attributed much of his success to his mother, who believed in his abilities despite his struggles in formal education. As a child, Edison was a curious and imaginative thinker. However, he faced difficulties in school due to his unconventional learning style. Teachers considered him addled, a term implying confusion or mental incapacity. After only 3 months in school, his mother decided to homeschool him. At home, Edison flourished. His mother nurtured his love for reading, science, and experimentation. By the age of 10, he had read books on chemistry and mechanics, setting up a small laboratory in his basement. A budding entrepreneur. At 12, Edison started working as a newsboy on trains running between Port Huron and Detroit. He sold newspapers, candy, and vegetables. His entrepreneurial spirit soon shone through when he began printing his own newspaper, the Grand Trunk Herald, on the train. This made him one of the earliest newspaper publishers to operate from a moving train. During his time on the train, Edison also conducted experiments in a small portable lab. However, one of these experiments accidentally started a fire, ending his access to the train's baggage car for experiments. Early struggles with hearing loss. Edison suffered from partial hearing loss, likely due to a childhood illness or an incident where he was pulled onto a moving train by his ears. While some considered his hearing impairment a disadvantage, Edison viewed it as a blessing. It helped him focus better on his experiments without external distractions. The inventor emerges. Edison's career as an inventor began in earnest during his teenage years. His first significant invention was an improved stock ticker, the Universal Stock Printer. This device synchronized several stock tickers, revolutionizing the financial industry. He sold the patent for $40,000, a substantial sum at the time, allowing him to establish his first laboratory in Newark, New Jersey. The Menlo Park Laboratory. In 1876, Edison set up a larger research laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey. This lab became the first industrial research facility, where he and his team of muckers, research assistants, worked tirelessly on innovative projects. Edison's approach to invention was systematic and collaborative, a stark contrast to the solitary efforts of many inventors of his time. Inventions that changed the world. *1. The phonograph, 1877. One of Edison's most remarkable inventions was the phonograph, a device that could record and reproduce sound. This invention earned him the nickname, the Wizard of Menlo Park. It was the first machine capable of capturing human voice, paving the way for the modern music and recording industry. Edison's first recorded words, "Mary had a little lamb," became iconic. Despite initial skepticism about its commercial potential, the phonograph eventually revolutionized communication and entertainment. *2. The electric light bulb, 1879. Edison is perhaps best known for his contributions to the development of the electric light bulb. While he did not invent the light bulb itself, he improved its design, making it practical and long-lasting. Edison's team experimented with thousands of materials to create a filament that would glow without burning out quickly. In 1879, they succeeded using a carbonized bamboo filament, capable of lasting up to 1,200 hours. This invention brought affordable electric lighting to homes and businesses, transforming society. Edison didn't stop at the bulb. He also developed an entire electrical distribution system, including generators, wiring, and sockets. In 1882, he opened the Pearl Street Station in New York City, the world's first commercial power plant. Asterisk 3. Motion picture technology, 1888. Edison's contributions to motion picture technology laid the foundation for modern cinema. He developed the kinetoscope, a device for viewing moving pictures. Along with his team, he invented the kinetograph, an early motion picture camera. Although Edison's initial focus was on individual viewing, his innovations eventually led to the development of projectors, allowing films to be shown to larger audiences. Asterisk 4. Other notable inventions. Edison's vast portfolio of inventions also includes the alkaline storage battery, improvements to the telegraph and telephone, the carbon microphone, enhancing telephone sound quality, business ventures and rivalries. Edison was not only an inventor but also a savvy businessman. He founded several companies, including General Electric, which remains one of the world's largest corporations. His rivalry with Nikola Tesla, another brilliant inventor, is legendary. The war of currents between Edison's direct current, DC, and Tesla's alternating current, AC, systems was a defining chapter in the history of electricity. Although AC eventually prevailed, Edison's contributions to electrical technology remain unparalleled. In his later years, Edison focused on improving existing technologies and exploring new areas, such as rubber production. Despite his advanced age, he continued to work tirelessly, driven by his passion for innovation. Edison received numerous honors and accolades for his contributions, including the Congressional Gold Medal in 1928. Death and legacy. Thomas Edison passed away on October 18, 1931, in West Orange, New Jersey. His death marked the end of an era, but his legacy lives on. He transformed the way people live, work, and communicate, leaving an indelible mark on the world. Edison's life is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and hard work. He once said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration," a mantra that defined his life and continues to inspire inventors and innovators worldwide. Conclusion. Thomas Edison's story is one of relentless pursuit and extraordinary achievement. From a curious boy conducting experiments in his basement to a global icon who revolutionized modern life, Edison exemplified the spirit of innovation. His life teaches us that determination, creativity, and hard work can overcome even the greatest challenges. This story provides a comprehensive overview of Edison's life and achievements, celebrating his monumental contributions to human progress.